This is Engineer Mac and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my third video tutorial, so if you are new here, please don't forget to click subscribe. Okay. Now, I will show you on how to put windows and doors in your floor plan. If you watched my previous video, I showed you on how to construct walls and rooms. So let's start. Open your floor plan in your DIALux evo. Here I am using the latest version 10.1. Go to Apertures tab on the upper left corner. Click Select, and from there, it will show you the objects for walls and windows. There are many options where you can choose from. In this case, I will choose the standard window. Oh, by the way, don't forget to click on the display plan so that your floor plan will appear as your guide in putting the window. Let's begin putting your first window. On the upper left side, click on the position active building opening, then click on the area where you want to put your window. Right-click on your mouse and choose Move. Drag on the red line to move up or down, and on the right and left for the green line. You can view in 3D rendering to check. Perfect. Click on the window if you want to change or modify the dimensions like height, width, frame width, and still height. Still height is the height from the lowest part of your window to the floor. In this case, it is 0.8 meter. I want to change my still height to 0. I input 0 on the box. Now, my window is on the floor level. I also want to change my window height and width to 1.5 meters, so I will input 1.5 on the box. Perfect. Now go back again to floor plan view and put the remaining windows. You can also click on the window and press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V and then move and drag it to the next window. In this room, I want to put a smaller size of window. I click on Select and choose a smaller type of window. I think this works fine. Perfect. For the kitchen, we will choose another type of window. This looks a great fit. Perfect. Now, we are done with our windows and we can proceed for the doors. I click again on select, and then I will choose a standard door in this case. I click on the position active building opening and then I click on my first door. Move and adjust accordingly. I right click and rotate for the proper orientation of my door. Now, go to the 3D view to check once. Perfect. Now, we will just do the same thing that we did on our window. Copy and paste. Work out until the last door. Perfect. Congratulations. Now you have created your windows and doors. hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to click subscribe and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.